Good evening, teacher and ma'am.
आता लगेच कशी येईल ती तुला पाठवलंय ना गुड मॉर्निंग बोलो
Good afternoon, teacher.
गुड आफ्टरनून
Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, teacher.
Good evening. Good evening.
गुड इव्हनिंग ऑल ऑफ यू
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, teacher.
प्राची तुझं नाव चेंज कर.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening.
गुड इव्हनिंग टीचर
Teacher.
Good evening.
इकडे बघ
आंबेडकर
गुड इव्हनिंग टीचर
Good evening.
कोण म्हणतोय टीचर
गुड
गुड इव्हनिंग टीचर
Good evening.
गुड इव्हनिंग टीचर
मला दे
म्हणतोय कोण म्हणतोय गुड इव्हनिंग टीचर
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone.
टीचर गुड इव्हनिंग टीचर
Good evening.
गुड इव्हनिंग टीचर
Good evening.
गुड इव्हनिंग टीचर
Good evening. Good evening.
गुड इव्हनिंग टीचर
Good evening.
गुड इव्हनिंग टीचर बोल गुड इव्हनिंग टीचर
Good evening.
Evening, teacher.
Good evening.
ए हो उठाओ उधर से उठो उठो उधर से मेरे को तो बैठने को उधर आता ते हलणार नाही त्याने किती वखत चांगलं ना ते हलणार नाही तो देख समजला हो जा लुलू काय बोलते
Morning, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening.
Yeah. Good morning, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Yes.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening, dear kids. Good evening, teacher. Good morning, teacher. Teacher. Good evening, teacher. Good evening, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Teacher. Good evening, teacher.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening, teacher. Good evening, all.
Good evening. I like the strength of the class. Great.
दिसतच नाही सी वरत आराध्या तू नाही दिसत आहेस
हेलो अपर्णा टीचर
यस
आयान का मतलब मैंने नाम नहीं दी थी पर अभी पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा है सॉन्ग बोलने वाला है वो हिंदी चलेगा क्या
अच्छा
चलेगा।
अच्छा ठीक है
हाँ
Ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening.
It is getting delayed.
वापस बहुत सुना नहीं किसी को बोल
Teachers, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we start, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Just waiting for you only, Aparna. I called you twice.
Okay. Sorry, ma'am. On behalf of PNP Cyrus Poonawalla Nagaon School, I, Aparna Bhagat, welcome you all for celebration of Mango Day celebration. I welcome our principal ma'am and I request our principal ma'am to say encouraging words on this auspicious and fruitful and delicious Mango Day.
Good evening, everyone. And all looking very beautiful in mango color, different shades of yellow. So now today we have gathered to celebrate a mango day. Yeah, and everyone likes mango. Mango is a fruit which is the king of fruit, and it is also. And it has many varieties. And mango we say aam ke aam gutliyon ke daam means in mango only not the pulp is important. Its peel, the seed also very important. It has many health benefits. So if you want, you can get more information regarding mango. Next time you can utilize more perfectly. So all the very best to all the participants. Do well. And again, thank you everyone and start your program. We'll start the program now. We'll not make it late. Thank you.
Now we will start with 8th standard. 8th standard teacher, please announce the name of your kids.
Okay. Hello, everybody. Good evening. I am the 8th standard class teacher, Nesilda Ribello. And today I would like to just tell two simple things for you about mango, which you all might not know. You all know the countries Canada and Germany. They are the only two countries in the whole world who do not produce any kind of mangoes. Canada and Germany. Now, I would like to call my students Prapti, Janvi, Pratham, Viraj, Tanushri, and Yuvraj. Whoever is there with us, okay, Pratham, I can see you, so you can start.
Okay, teacher. So I'm starting. Mango is the one of the most popular fruit in the world. It is just not a fruit, but a part of our cultivation. The mango was cultivated first 5,000 years ago. Most of the people choose mango during the summer seasons, and every year I think 20 tons of mango are grown naturally, and they provide 100% of our daily vitamin C, and we can make mango shakes, smoothies, mango cake, mango ice cream, etc. Are some of the dishes enjoyed by mango lovers. And 22 July is celebrated as National Mango Day. Thank you.
Okay, next one, I would like to call Prapti. Prapti, are you there?
Yes, good morning, teacher. Good evening, teacher.
Good evening. Come, start.
So this is the drawing which I have drawn for today's event, and I would share some information about mango. A mango is an edible stone fruit produced by a tropical tree, Magnificum indica, which is believed to have originated from northwest Myanmar and Bangladesh. M. indica has been cultivated in South and Southeastern Asia since ancient times. The fruit mango is the national fruit of India, Pakistan, and the Philippines, while mango tree is the national tree of Bangladesh. Alfonso, the king of mangoes, is found in the region of Maharashtra region of Ratnagiri, Devgarh, Raigad, and Konkan. Interestingly, each mango weighs 150 to 300 grams. Alfonso is the one of the best varieties of mango found in India and also most expensive one. The number one mango producing country in the world is India. Here, production here reaches over 18 million tons, which is approximately 50% of all global mango supply. Fun fact, mango is related to cashews and pistachios. Thank you.
Thank you. Viraj? Viraj, class 8. Yes, come on, start.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Viraj Varadkar. I make toran of mango leaves. It is a religious thing that we wind, and it we wind in our house door. Thank you.
Excuse me, all of you. Please mute yourself. Means we will not get disturbed of anyone's. Those name is there. They can switch on their unmute and they can speak it out. Please, ma'am, mute everyone. Nilsinda, ma'am,
Yes,
please
yes.
mute everyone. Yes. 8th standard finish.
No, 8th standard.
Ma'am, you are mute.
Can I have Tanushri from 8th? Tanushri? Yuvraj?
1 minute.
Okay, Tanushri, you are here?
Yes.
Okay, come on, start. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, how to do that?
Hello, my name is Tanushree Sachin Ambulkar. I am studying in grade 8. I have made the Ganpati of mango leaves and I will talk about it. Apart from being loaded with antibacterial and antiseptic properties, mango leaves are used as torans or bandharwar during large religious gatherings and festivals because of their unique ability to absorb excess carbon dioxide. Why do we use mango leaves for puja? Mango tree leaves are used during especially rituals to complete a Puran Kambal. Before being any puja, an earthen pot is filled with water and adorned with fresh mango leaves with a whole coconut on top and kept for puja sthapana, wherein the pot represents mango mother earth water as a life given. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanushri. Can I have Yuvraj now, right now? Yuvraj, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, come on, start.
Teacher, I have made this 2 mangoes.
Oh,
This is a raw mango, and this is a teacher. Thank you.
Yuvraj. Yuvraj. Okay, no issue. Can we have Janvi?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, come on, Janvi.
Teacher, I am telling information and fun facts about mangoes.
Okay.
A mango is an edible stone fruit produced by the tropical the Mangifera indica, which is believed to have originated from the region between now northwest Myanmar, Bangladesh, and now northeast India. Mango is low-calorie fruit. It also contains potassium, B6, iron, and a little calcium, zinc, and vitamin E. And the shape of mango is somewhat round, oval, or kidney. Now, facts about mangoes. 20 million tons of mangoes are grown annually. They provide 100% of your daily vitamin C. A basket of mango is gesture of friendship. India mango trees can grow as as tall as 100 feet. Thank you.
Thank you. Yuvraj, do you want to come again? Okay, ma'am. 8th is done.
Now I request Nilsinda ma'am to show types of mangoes video to all the kids and let the kids grasp the information.
Yes, ma'am. Aparna ma'am is opening right now. Give me 1 second, please.
Okay.
By the time it's opening, can we do with the 7?
No ma'am, we will start with the nursery kid now.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
From nursery, Varat Naik. Nursery, Varat. 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 I saw him. Varat Naik. Varat Naik. Okay, LKG. LKG.
Yes, teacher. What?
Varat Naik is here.
Okay. Ma'am, start your presentation, please.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Ready. Yeah. I am mango. I am mango. I am the national fruit of India. And I say I communist. I am the king of fruit. I king of fruit. ठीक है स्टॉप कर मेरा सवाल स्टॉप थैंक यू थैंक यू
Okay, very good, very nice, Varat. Very good. Okay, from LKG, Arohi. From LKG, Arohi. Varat, please mute yourself. Arohi.
Yes, what? Good evening, teacher. What? Good evening, teacher. What? Good evening, teacher. What?
Come on, he say.
What? Well, my name is Wall. काय बोलायचं बोल पटापट लवकर बोल my name
Okay,
is
very good. Arohi, show me mango. Show me your mango, Arohi. Show me your mango. Wow, what a beautiful mango you are having in your hand. Delicious mango. Okay, very nice mango. Okay, very good girl. Okay, very good girl. Now Arohi, mute yourself, and Sanvi Kamble from LG. Sanvi Kamble from LKG.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, Sanvi.
My name is Sanvi Kaule. I'm studying AKG class.
Okay, now
Sanvi, your video is mute, beta. Switch on your video.
okay. टीचर दिसते?
नाही दिसत आहे.
व्हिडिओ ऑन आहे.
What is saying now?
Beta, let Sanvi say, okay? Later on, I will give her chance.
खाली करा.
Sanvi, start.
ओके, दिसते टीचर?
नाही. Sanvi mother, तुम्ही ट्राय करा, तोपर्यंत मी आरोहीला चान्स देते. आरोही प्लीज से बेटा.
Sanvi is visible.
Sanvi
Aparna ma'am,
is
she is
visible. We can
visible.
see her. We can see her. We can see her.
बोल मायने बोल पटापट बोल बोल तिकडे नको बघू बोल तसं नाही करायचं बोल आरोही बोल बोल पटापट बोल
बोल मग तुला टाळा वाजवते.
बोल मग टीचर माय स्कूल
My school name is PNP Chartered Poonawalla CBSE English Medium School Nagaon.
हाँ मैंगो दाखव टीचरला मैंगो दाखव टीचरला बोल इट इज अ
It is a grape.
मैंगो
It is a mango.
हाँ
It is green color
and
and yellow color.
हाँ it is very
fruit.
very tasty बोल
Very tasty.
हाँ नंतर it is national बोल हाँ बोल it is national बोल ते काय आहे सांग it is बोल काय आहे it is mango pickle बोल
It is mango pickle.
हाँ अजून नुसतं बोल it is फटाफट ठेव it is national food बोल
It is national fruit.
हाँ poem बोल देखो बोल
लगा किन्ना आम रसीला
हाँ
छिलका इसका पीला पीला
हाँ लगता
लगता कितना आम
ताजा
ताजा है
हाँ
आम फल का राजा है.
थैंक यू बोल
Thank you.
Very good, very nice, Arohi. Very good girl. Sanvi. Sanvi.
बोलिए टीचर.
Arohi, please mute yourself.
हाँ.
Arohi, please mute.
This is mango. Mango's color is yellow and orange. This is national fruit. This is national fruit. Yes. And this mango is vitamin,
बोल
A, C, D. I don't go. Thank you.
Very nice, Sanvi. Very good girl. Now we will start with grade 1. Before that, I just asked Nelsida ma'am, we are ready with types of mangoes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, we are ready. Can I
Okay.
share my screen?
Yes, first everyone watch this video and then we will start with grade 1 and grade 2.
Okay, ma'am, done with the video.
Now we will start with grade 1. Tanishka Vartak. Tanishka Vartak, please start.
Mango is a natural fruit of India. I like mango. Ow.
Hello. Hello. मैं बोलती. Hello.
Very beautiful, Tanishka. Very nice. Finish, Tanishka. Swara Pradhan.
My name is Swara Ganesh Pradhan. I am from This is the mango. I am the king of fruit. I am for you. Eat me and avoid sunstroke. I am sweet. I am tasty. I am rich in vitamins A, C, D. National fruit of India, and it is I am green and yellow. When how to make a mango shake? To have scary movie. Thank you, teacher.
Very good, Swara Pradhan. Now I request Shriyansh Sawant to present himself.
My name is Shriyansh Yogesh Sawant. Read this.
Shriyansh Kate, please mute yourself. Wow, very delicious, very nice, Shriyansh.
Thank you. Mango is the national fruit of India. In contain vitamins and minerals. Mangoes are sweet and sour. National fruit of India. Mango is the king of fruit. Thank you.
Very good, Shriyansh. Very nice.
Thank you.
Now, who is there from first grade?
ऑफिस बोलो ईशानी आहे
Okay.
पण आहे टीचर आसिफ
My name is Parv Jain.
Wait, Parv. Wait, Parv. Let Asif finish it, okay? Parv, wait. Okay. Office, start, beta. पार्वती मम्मी म्यूट हो जाइए आप.
बोलो माय नेम इज बोलो
My name is Asif Khan.
एक्टिविटी
Don't speak English. Activity. It is the mango, yellow mango, king of the fruit.
vitamins
Eat
vitamins and
count.
I
like mango.
healthy fruit
Healthy fruit. Thank you.
Very good, Office. Now I request Parv Jain to present himself.
Yes, आज मैं वो स्टैंड खोला था Jain. I am grade 1. This is the mango leaf. This is the mango leaf.